How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and I want to do a quick update on a ticker that a lot of people are hyped about, and it's been making nice moves, and it's the history says it just keeps making these explosive moves. But I want to show you guys where you want to get in, where do you want to exit, and where are we looking at as a chartist, chart wise, and all that good stuff. So before I get right into this video, do keep in mind I am a reversal trader. I'm a swing trader. I catch bottom trades and I look for those reversals on the tops and bottoms. And if you want to join the premium Discord, it is only $6 a month and you will learn a lot and get my exact entries and exits, which I've been doing this for over 6 years and been profitable month after month. But let's get into the ticker GNS. I want to go on to the daily chart, is what you're seeing right here. And I want to keep it as simple as possible because the more you make it, complicated, the harder it's going to be, and you're just going to lose money. You want to make it very simple, understanding, and you know exactly when to enter and exit. So this is the last big run right in here. I remember so clearly this was a nice run. Everyone was really hyped, and we got this mini run over here. But right in here, let me show you what's happening. We have the top band is the sell zone. That is where people look to short or buy puts, and just no matter what, do not buy shares here. And the reason why is because I customized this setting to be, if it does get over here, it's more likely to correct. I don't say it's going to explode down, but it's more likely to correct or revert to the mean, and that mean is your middle band right here. Middle band is where price has to correct to. No matter where price goes, price will always go to that middle band. So do keep that in mind. And then the bottom band is where your buy zones are. That is where price is most likely to pump, just like its price is most likely to decline at the upper band. So right in here, you get this long upper wick. It goes down drastically. I remember that. And then right in here, you get this massive explosive move. Shorts accumulate this, and then it take it right back down to the reversion of the mean, the middle band, and then that's where it can do an uptrend or a downtrend. If it goes up from here, that is a very good sign, and that's what we do. We hit a higher high, but then it just goes down. It just can't sustain it. Now, not all the times are you going to see these perfect setups like this. It can go up a little more, and that's why if it does hit a bottom band or an upper band, it does not mean I sell or buy. There is a lot of other things I look to, and that is the KDJ as a perfect example. And then also for these bands, the longer the distance from the middle band, where from price hitting to the middle band, is great. So for example, this is 10:16. We have a clear touch of the middle band, and then we have our next touch at 11:15. That is a month time frame, which is relatively wrong. Anything that goes close to over a month is super long. So if price was going down just a little more close to here, this would have been a perfect buy signal. But price has to correct to it, and they decided to do it right in here. This was one of the best buy signals right here for GNS. And if you got in here, this is just amazing. And you've been just, milking the cow on this. So right here, you have a beautiful gap. You have no touches right in here. The last touch was 1229. You get a touch at 124. And if you look at the history right in here, that's about when this gap was filled. And then this gap gets filled right here. Did anyone expect a move like this? Absolutely not. No one probably, right when you see these big moves down, usually you don't get a move, this fast up like that. That's just how powerful this stock is. People love it, and it can really squeeze some shorts, right? But right here was the perfect buy signal. No doubt about it. You have a low K. It's less than 10 is what I recommend. I don't look at RSI even though it's 22, but this was just an amazing buy opportunity for the bulls, and it just been going up, rapidly from there, right? That was, awesome. But that's what you want to look for. If price all of a sudden did that, it's going to take a long time because one, when price goes up here, you can see the bands go opposite directions. Like, so when it goes up, these are going to accumulate and start going up for the uptrend, and these are going to start going down. It's because these are going to take a lot of time for these bands to correlate to when, for how this goes, So do keep in mind. So now, what are we looking at the current price correction? Because obviously this system has worked to a T. It has an over 95% win ratio as long as you're patient. You're not buying random candles, right? So right in here, if you did get in, you're up a lot right here. But if you didn't decide to take the profit and you didn't see like this system saying, oh, these are sell signals right in here. It's hitting the upper band right in here. These are perfect sell signals, and guess what? The price goes down rapidly. And guess where it goes? No, I'm not even confused at all about this. You have a gap. It does not mean it has to fill it at this time, but it decided to. And right in here, we fill the thing, and it closed just right on that thing. What you want to see is you want to start seeing the uptrend. This is very nice. I do think this has plenty of more room to go, just based on, one, we are not going drastic below this middle band. When you go drastically below this middle band, then the uptrend is gone, and then you can hit to the downtrend. I think we are going to start up and try to hit a new high up in here, and then of course it's going to sell off, but you want to make sure you're buying at the right levels, or you can at least, scalp it or make plenty of profits, day trade it and all that, and buy at the right points, right? And that's what we saw right back over here when it made this move up. There's no coincidence. You had this touch right here, same scenario. Went a little bit below it, but we held it, and we went back up, and then high it, takes a little time for the next big move up. And right in here, once we broke that new high, right in here, we had that explosive move up. Made a new high right in there, and it perfectly to a T, we sell off right there at that upper band. There is no coincidence. Price is moving exactly how it should be. This is not random price movement. Algos are doing this to a T, and no other person can do this. This is all algos. They're telling where the price to go, painting the picture for us. We have to correct to the middle band. We're doing that. We are not going to get so far extended because price, looks, whack, and it does not look right because price moves in waves. So we can't just keep going up forever. So we're going to have correction points, go back to here, and then have our next uptrend is what I'm seeing here. So just do keep that in mind. What I like to look for is gaps like this right here with a touch of the lower band into a move up and have nice potential up in here. The best thing I do like to see is, one, if you get a good entry, have a stop loss and try to ride as much up as possible is the best thing in my honest opinion. But hope you guys enjoyed this video of my GNS reversal strategy. This is my unique strategy nobody else has, and I'm willing to let everyone learn to be profitable traders. If you do want to learn, join the premium Discord for only $6 a month. It is really nice. You're going to learn a lot, and there's lots of other traders sharing ideas, just like this one right here, sharing education all the time. What you're going to get in this package for $6 is my trade alerts, my exact ticker with entries and exits, if you just want to follow me and kind of get the feel how I do it. And then my setup video, I have videos on how to set up your charts, trend reversals, and the best way to use the strategy in my opinion. For only $6 a month, go down to the YouTube comments below, and then go to the description of my YouTube, and you'll see a link that says join the premium Discord for the best trades. And when you hit that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page on Discord. And if you never used it, it's just it's really nice to communicate with members, and it's just really nice for real-time chatting, right? Because everything in the market changes instantly, every 15 minutes, hour, something's happening. So when you click onto this, you go to the free chat, go to the subscription area. It's so easy, and just hit premium chat, and it'll get you to opt in to subscribe, because when you come in, these are going to be locked and you won't be able to get into it. It's only $6 a month. If you don't like it, cancel anytime, but I promise you're going to love it. And once you subscribe, it's just a monthly basis, and you'll be locked into my alerts, the setup, and just, what I see based on bays, and chat with me every day. If you guys like this analysis of GNS, I spend a lot of time to, do videos for people that are looking for reversals, for uptrends, and trying to see, like, where are we at right in here. Was this a healthy correction? This was definitely a healthy correction in my honest opinion, as long as it stays above here. And then my next price target would be way up here at the 76 cents for a new high up in here is what you want to see. If you like these kind of videos, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. Any type of engagement helps the algorithm. Share it to other people. And I hope to see you guys in the next videos. And I really hope to see you guys in the Discord so we can all make money. Happy trading.